Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Dear viewers, inshallah, in this video, you are going to learn the Holy Quran, Para 1, Surah Al-Baqarah Ayat number 120 with the rules of Tajweed and Qiraat. Let's start. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ولن ترضى عنك اليهود ولا النصارى حتى تتبع ملتهم قل إن هدى الله هو الهدى ولئن اتبعت أهواءهم بعد الذي جاءك من العلم ما لك من الله من ولي ولا نصير. Look at the word وَلَن تَرْضَى. You can see ta after noon sakin. Ta is an ikhfa letter. The rule ikhfa will be done and gunna will be done in noon sakin. Gunna means taking the sound into the nose. Ankal yahudu. There is kaf after noon sakin. Kaf is also an ikhfa letter. The rule ikhfa will be done and gunna will be done in noon sakin even in this word. Walan nasara. You have to pronounce noon mushaddad with gunna. Hatta tattabi'a. Pronounce ayn from the middle part of your throat. Millatahum. Qul inna. Pronounce qaf with thicker voice because qaf is a mustaliya letter, and do gunna in noon mushaddad. Hudallahi. Pronounce the lam of Allah's name with thicker voice because there is zabr before it. Huwal huda. There is khada zabr on dal. You have to stretch up to 2 harkat. Wala inittaba'ta. Pronounce ayn with from the middle part of your throat. Ahwa'ahum. You can see hamza after alif madda in the same word. It is madde muttasil. You have to stretch up to 5 harkat. And there is ba after mim sakin. The rule ikhfa shafwi will be done and gunna will be done in mim sakin. Ba'da alladhi. Pronounce dal without whistle sound and stretch ya madda. Ja'aka. Stretch madde muttasil. Min al-ilmi. Pronounce ayn from the middle part of your throat. Ma laka min Allahi. Pronounce the lam of Allah's name with thicker voice because there is zabr before it. Min waliyin. You can see waw after noon sakin. Waw is a yarmaloon letter. The rule idgham will be done and gunna will be done. And there is another waw after tanween. It is also idgham. You have to do gunna. Wala nasir. Pronounce sod with thicker voice because it is a mustaliya letter, and stretch madde ariz at the end of this word. Madde ariz is done when a temporary sukoon comes after any madda letter. Temporary sukoon means when a letter becomes sakin because of waqf. In this word, ra is sakin because of waqf, so it is a temporary sukoon, and this temporary sukoon is coming after ya madda, so madde ariz will be done. You have to stretch up to 5 harkat. Inshallah al Kareem, in the next video, you will learn next ayat of Surah Al-Baqarah.